Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. I came here for hair transplant. The whole experience was quite nice. Taken care of for the whole process, so nothing really to complain about. Things have been going well. Was looked online for the available hair transplant clinics in the country just because I have business over in Malaysia, so decided to come here to do the transplant procedure. It was positive. I felt like I was taken care of from the beginning till doctors and the nurses have been very positive and very knowledgeable to kind of address all the concerns I had throughout the process. So I'm very happy with how it's been going. I think if you're seeking the same treatment, definitely come for a consultation first. Get the full understanding of the procedure from the doctors here first, and then make a decision based on that. It's a very lengthy procedure from beginning to end, but they'll walk you through a whole process so that you're comfortable with it before you do go through with it. I started seeing a lot of my hair actively falling off and thinning in the past few months. So it was starting to become the point where it's very noticeable daily. Like take a shower, I've noticed a lot of hair coming off, and so that was starting to become a bigger and bigger concern. So I came here to at least see what the problem is, and then they suggested a hair transplant procedure. So that's how that whole thing started. Based on their consultation, that's when I decided to go through with what they suggested in terms of hair transplant to address the hair loss problem. Only the close friends and family know I went through the procedure. They all know that I went through the procedure, but other than that, I don't actively tell everybody, just the close friends and families. They're supportive of it. Like if that's what I want to do to address the hair loss issue, that they're always supportive of it. Thank you everyone at the GLOJAS, the professor and the nurses and doctors for taking care of me so far. I hope to come back again soon.
How are you feeling today? Exactly day 14?
Feeling good. Feeling good.
Okay, all right.